shower, Pennsylvania, until 6.
Look who's saying hi again.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, east central Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, southwestern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. At 5:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near St. Thomas, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees, roofs, and siding. This severe thunderstorm will be near Chambersburg, Scotland, Upper Stratford, Guilford, Fayetteville, and Roxbury around 5:50 p.m. Shippensburg around 6 p.m. Walnut Bottom and Pine Grove Furnace around 6:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Orrstown and Shippensburg University. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 203 to 209. Interstate 81 for mile markers 11 to 37. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm has already produced damage near Mechanicsburg,